Let's see how we can create a Telegram bot in just 5 minutes who's going to send daily motivational quotes to all my team members. So to do this, we just have to open our workflow builder inside Pabbly Connect if you're an existing user of Pabbly Connect. But if you're a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. In the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on the sign up for free and you are going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. 100 of tasks free means that you can create this Telegram bot for free today, and yes, this is true. Once you try Pabbly Connect and if you like it, you can definitely move on further and purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect, and for that we have a special discount coupon code just for you which is attached right over here. You can use this discount coupon code to get a very heavy discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. Alright, so now we're on the workflow builder and this is the most important window because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So by this you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started we have to click on this add trigger button. For the trigger application we have to select it as schedule. So I want to schedule a message every day at 10 a.m. So I'm just going to select the event as schedule workflow. It is saying how do you often want to run this workflow. So let's select it as every day. For the time, let's select it as 10 a.m. in the morning. You can keep the time according to your own choice. Just click on this save. If you want to run this workflow on the days of the week, dates of the month, you can select that too. Once this workflow is scheduled, we're just going to use Google Gemini in order to get the message which you're going to post on Telegram. Okay, so we have to click on this add new action step. For the action application, let's just search for Google Gemini, which is Google AI Studio. Now select it. For the event, select it as generate content and click on this connect. Now if you haven't created the connection between Gemini and Pabbly Connect, then click on this add new connection. It is going to ask you for the API key. So to get this API key, go on this Google AI Studio and you have to open this hyperlink directly from here. Once this is opened from the left hand of the side, you have to go on this get API key section. Once you come on this, click on this create API key button, name your key, select the project and click on this create key button. Your key will be created. So you have to copy the key from here and paste it right over here in your workflow and then click on this save. But I've already created this connection, so let's just click on the select existing connection and then save, and my Gemini is connected. Now for the text we have a prompt which I have entered right over here in my previous workflow, so I'm just going to copy and paste the same. If you also want this prompt, you're going to get the workflow URL in the description box below. You can copy and paste the prompt directly from there. Now you have to select the module of your choice and then for the method select it as generate content and click on this save and send test request. Once you're going to click on the save and send test request, you're going to see we have successfully received this message. Now let's just post this message on our Telegram. For that we have to create a Telegram bot. Click on this add new action step. For the action application, search for Telegram bot and select the same right over here. Now for the event you have to select it as send a text message or reply and click on this connect. In order to create a new bot, go on this add a new connection and it is asking for the token. To get this token, open your Telegram, and after you open your Telegram you have to search for bot father. So you just search for bot father and as you can see you have to check this profile picture is same or not, and now click on the start button. Once you click on the start button, it is saying I can help you create a new bot. Okay, so let's just do /new bot over here and it is saying alright, a new bot. How are we going to call it? So I'm just going to call this bot is new Pabbly Tudes bot. So I'm just going to keep the name as new Pabbly Tudes bot. So this is the name of the bot. So I'm just going to simply send this name. It is saying good. Now let's choose a username of the bot. So I want the username to be this. You have to make sure that the username should include _bot at the end. Okay, so let's just send this and you're going to see yes, the bot is created. Over here is the API token for the same. So let's just copy and paste it right over here in our workflow. After pasting this, click on this save and your Telegram bot account will be connected with Pabbly Connect. After creating this connection, you have to make sure that you add this new bot in your group in which you want to send the messages. So I want to send the messages in this group. So let's just add this bot in this group. Go on the team name, which is the group name. Click on this add new member and simply enter the same username and just add this bot. Not only you have to add the bot, but you have to also give this bot the admin access. For that, go on this edit button and then towards this administrators and simply add the administrator over here. So as you can see that we have successfully given this bot the admin access. Let's just go back, and yes, this bot is promoted to admin. So let's just go back towards our workflow, and after creating this connection, it is asking me for the chat ID. So to get this chat ID, you have to first of all make sure you added this bot, and then you have to open the same channel or the group in which you want to send the messages. Over here you're going to find the chat ID after this hashtag, so copy it with the hyphen and paste it right over here in your workflow. You have to make sure that your Telegram is in A version, then only you have to copy this chat ID. If your Telegram is in K version, you have to go on this menu, then more, and from here you can switch it to A version. Then copy the chat ID, paste it right over here. Now for the text message, Gemini has generated that, right? So we have to map it. So you must be wondering what is mapping. So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step, and when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and changes with every new response received. In order to enter the data, you have to put a slash and then simply search for the data and map it like this. Now it is asking me for many another details, but all of these details are not the required, so I'm just going to leave it as blank and click on the save and send test request. We have received the positive response that we have successfully sent this message. So let's just open our Telegram, and again to say yes, we have successfully sent this message. Not only this, but now what is going to happen is every day at 10 a.m. this workflow is going to run and send the message on our Telegram group. Like this, we have successfully learned how to create a Telegram bot in just 5 minutes and for free. So go and try this amazing automation yourself, and while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. And for your reference, the discount coupon code and the workflow URL is attached in the description box below. Thank you for watching, everyone.